Okay, so there's Pooter, and there's a video he likes very, very much. So, let's show everybody Pooter. What are those? Are those birds? Pooter likes birds, especially when they flap. That's when he decides, oh, I'm gonna chase them across the screen, even though they're not real. And I can call him, and he won't look at me. Pooter. Meow. Yep, no. I'm focused on birds. Uh-ohs. They're all gone, Pooter. I know. It's a sad day. There's no more birds. Whoopsies. Whoopsie doopsie. Come here. Come here. What did you do? You knocked something over. Say bye, everybody.